Doc McStuffins. Peaches Pie, take a bath. It is a rainy day. Doc is at Emmy's house. Emmy and Alma are sisters. Alma has a new doll. Her name is Peaches Pie. She smells like peaches. Rudy the dog runs in. He is all wet. Rudy grabs Peaches Pie. "Come back, Rudy!" The girls chase Rudy. "Let go," says Alma. Rudy lets go. Peaches Pie is all wet. She smells like wet dog. Alma is sad. Doc will help. The doc is in. The toys come to life. "Something smells like wet dog," says Peaches Pie. The king wants a checkup. Doc will see him first. Lammy starts her dance class. Peaches is a good dancer. Hermie dances close to Peaches. Her dress is smelly. Doc is ready for Peaches. "Time for your checkup," she says. Chili whispers to Doc. Her dress smells bad. "You have soggy dogatosis," says Doc. Peaches is sad. Doc knows what to do. Peaches Pie needs a bath. Everyone helps Peaches get clean. "You're all sweet as pie," Peaches says. Peaches Pie is peachy clean. Oh, Emmy and Alma are coming. The toys go stuffed. Peaches Pie smells like peaches again. Peaches feels better. She is ready to go home. Thanks, Doc. The end.